Next, we'll have Samarjit Singh. He's going to actually coordinate our little skit that we're doing on e-tailing India. I'm sorry, not e-tailing India. That's just on e-tailing. Samar, can you make your way?
Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. This is my first attempt at comparing, so make sure that I'm not nervous. And I'm up on the stage and not an MC because what we tried this time was that it's been close to 13 or 14 years that e-commerce or e-tailing industry has come into existence in this country. There's not been a formal celebration of this existence. It's always been that we've been trying. We have opportunities which we need to meet. And we've been struggling, we've been trying hard, we've been succeeding, but there's never been a significant celebration. So we thought, why not use this platform to potentially celebrate last 13 to 14 years from the time we started e-tailing in small bits and have grown to this level. The thought behind this entire evening, the next 35 to 45 minutes is, is to look at all the people who have, all companies, all people who've contributed in creating the industry where it has reached. This is not an award ceremony, this is a recognition ceremony where we're saying, okay, 14 years have gone by, why not celebrate it, why not look back and say what we have done and just live those moments again. The way we're trying to do it is, we have some very interesting artists from who act at Prithvi Theatre, and we've tried to put up a script. Whatever inputs we could give it to them are with them, and they're trying to see from a consumer perspective and from the people who've been part of creating this industry to put the skit together, and we'll keep on recognizing the people as the skit moves. I hope you enjoy it. It's not significantly funny, but I think it'll get a smile on your face. So I'll leave it to Hidayat and his team to take it forward from here, and I'll keep on coming in between and keep trying to talk to you about the people who came and made this industry happen. Thank you. Hi guys. I think the first era which we saw in internet retail happened because the Indian ethnic community which stayed out of India started buying online. And a lot of companies ushered up which started serving this audience which was living in the US, Australia, UK, and this was the first evolution of internet retail in India. I would like to invite Mr. Nagesh to come down and do the honors for the first award before I announce the award. The first award, or the recognition, goes to Taj Online, which was one of the first sites we started catering to NRI community, and I'd like to invite Charu Agrawal to come and collect this award. It is one of India's first NRI gifting portal. It started NRI services like cash transfers and telecom cards, and even started the first white labeling site service called Toll Shop. A big round of applause for Charu and Taj Online. Before we move to the second award, I'd like to call Reshma Nagpal to come down and do the honors for the next award before I announce the same. Again, I think that this company went ahead and used the NRI as a community to move forward, and the award goes to India Plaza. India Plaza was the first online mall. It started as Fab Mall, and I'd like to invite Betty. Thanks, Betty. Thanks, Reshma. I think this was the first wave where we stopped, and I would like to hand over to Hidayat and his team for them to take to the next wave of e-commerce in India. I think we wanted to move to the phase 2, and I hope you got some hints up there as to what we wanted to celebrate. I think one of the big celebration was for a website which introduced auctions to India, which got marketplaces to India, and it's a pleasure to announce that award too. For that, I'd like to invite on stage Ashish Jalani and give this award, and I'd like to invite Suvir Sujan for the same, as that award goes to Bazi. Bazi was India's first online marketplace. It introduced auctions to e-commerce. This website finally became part of eBay family. Thanks, Suvir, for coming for this award. I think the next award was given to a company which actually introduced online shopping to the country. It initially was into doing gifting, and then first started trying introducing products for the Indian community, and that award would be going to Rediff Shopping. And I would like to invite Amit to give this award. And Amit, please come on the stage. And we have Neeraj from Rediff to collect this award, who heads e-commerce for this company. Rediff started serving NRI audience with gifting e-commerce, one of the first to realize the potential of Indian e-commerce and set up Indians for the first managed services marketplace. I'm sorry, my slides are in different order, so people would have guessed it, which is the third one. I think one of the companies, I would put the slide in India Times Shopping, one of the key pioneers in involving COD as a payment method for Indian e-commerce consumers. Online consumer goods and white goods auction called Name Your Price. This was invented by India Times, and it was instrument in starting Reader's Offer, which has become such a big business today. I would like to invite Mark to come on the stage and give this award to India Times, and we have Shubhankar with us, who will collect this award from India Times side.
You know, God made me funky.
I'm very sure I'm not going to get any award after what they've done to me. I think moving to the next phase, I think this was the phase where these guys talked about, where a lot of deals website came into the business, and they contributed and further strengthened this phase of Indian e-commerce. I would like to invite Abhay Deshpande from Marjack to come down on the stage and do the next two honors. Unfortunately, both Snapdeal and JB not with us, but I would like Amit Jalani to come down and collect the award on their behalf and send it across to them. Snapdeal is India's first and most popular deals website, successfully migrated from coupons and deals to include products. JB is India's first shoe-only website, with Zappos started as Big Shoe Bazaar and introduced see before you buy concept in India.
Somehow, some way. As my man Visual would say. Oh yeah, you know that God made me funky, and I'm glad He blessed me that way.
The next award goes to Jabong, and I'm very happy that Manu is with us. I would like to invite Mr. Kaushal Mehta from Motive to come down on the stage and give this award to Manu. Manu, please walk on the stage, please.
Yeah.
Jabong scaled its online inventory and consumer base in record time. This website just started in 2012, and it's set new benchmarks in consumer targeting, setting new benchmarks for Jabong's aggressive marketing.
God made me funky, and I'm glad He made me that way.
This is the last award in terms of recognition from the industry. I would like to involve John Barras from Mixler to come down on stage and do the honors for this award. And this goes to eDabba. This is a website which introduced trust points as a concept to remove online trust challenge from tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and got tier 2 and 2, 3 cities got involved into Indian e-commerce. I'll require Manoj to come down and receive this award. I'll hand it over to Hidayat to conclude this ceremony and his stage people. A big applause for the whole theater team, please. I think it is very obvious as to who's the next awardee is. We've been discussing about creating a trust in the market, and I think that's what eBay stands for. eBay came down, introduced trust and safety practices in India, and created trust between buyers and sellers. It introduced escrow and PesaPay to ensure safe transaction between small buyers and sellers, and provided a level playing field for small to medium buying sellers across the country to trade a variety of products to consumer. To award eBay, I would like to invite Gerald Ratner on stage. I think, guys, we need a big applause. Gerald is with us.
Taking it back to the motherland.
It's a privilege that Gerald is with us, and he's agreed to give this award. I would like to call Murli to come down and collect this award on behalf of eBay. I'm sorry, you can see that I'm not a professional MC and the slides are going up and down. I'll hand it over to the professional Hidayat to take us to the next stage. I think we touched on a phase where I think few companies came and introduced the concept of service. We obviously know which companies, of the people who've been in the industry for pretty long, would know which of the companies being spoken about. Obviously, this was a phase where the customer service as an angle was understood, and a lot of initiatives were taken which were getting discussed in this thing. So let's move on and reward a few companies which made a mark in this phase. The first one is Myntra. Mukesh is not with us. He was with us in the morning, but I'll go through and first recognize the entire effort. This is a website which started as an online destination for personalized products in 2007. They didn't start as a fashion website and transitioned into a lifestyle retailer, but they pioneered in online lifestyle shopping and merchandising innovations, and is one of the pioneer websites in this space. Since he's not around, I'll club it with another website, which is Flipkart. I think that's what we heard. I think this was a company which focused on customer service and launched Feet on Street. The 2,700 people which were talked about was a concept which they thought about, put these people on